So here I am on the ferry now, going from Starcross that way to Exmouth that way. What a lovely crossing it is. I think this ferry is called the Orcombe. Yeah. These ferries run every hour uh, with the low tides and high tides. So some of these ferries can get cancelled. It costs £8 return, uh, £1 for the dog if you've got a dog. Obviously you've got the Great Western Railway running along here, there's one just there. That takes you, I believe, to Exeter and other towns. Jump up here and have a look. Closest towns around here are, you've got Dawlish, Dawlish Warren, Exeter, Torquay, Paynton, Brixham. They're all within a good 30 minutes of each other. It's the Great Western train again. Really pretty. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please press the subscribe button if you want to subscribe. It is free. And you can follow my adventures, Scorch's Adventures. Thank you. Bye.